Today I'll be showcasing how to generate reports for your progress monitoring groups in do-it-yourself reporting. We'll begin with summary graphs. The process is very similar to running any other do-it-yourself summary report. Start by choosing your desired test, followed by the various choices that determine exactly what kind of report you create. For this example, I'll keep it pretty basic. For a more detailed look at creating summary do-it-yourself reports, click the card in the top right corner of this video. Now that we've reached the bottom of the summary chart toolbox, we can see a drop-down for progress monitoring group filters. Here, we'll find all of the progress monitoring groups we have access to. Let's choose the group we created in the last video. This will filter our report to show results only for the group of students outlined in our progress monitoring group. The name of our progress monitoring group is also printed on the top right of our report, as highlighted here. Don't forget that we can use the drill down feature to get a list of the students who composed any segment of the graphs. Just right-click. Now I'll show you how to create pupil list reports that show your progress monitoring groups. Let's head over to the pupil listing toolbox instead of summary charts. Here we'll be met with similar filters to the summary charts toolbox. For a more in-depth look at the do-it-yourself pupil listings, click the card in the top right. At the bottom of our first menu for Who, we're met with the same drop-down box for progress monitoring group filter. Again, we'll choose the progress monitoring group that we made in the previous video. The next menu lets us fill out what scores we'd like to see in the list that we're creating. I included Fall 24 so we can compare how our low performers from the spring are doing in a more recent test window. We're now met with a student list providing scores for our low-performing English learner students at Madison Middle. Again, the name of our progress monitoring group is printed on the top right of our report. This list can highlight any changes in performance students had from the spring of 23 to fall of 24. For example, this student was a level 3 in STAR reading in the spring, but fell to a level 1, so clearly this student needs our help. On the other hand, we have this student who was a level 1 in the spring, but jumped up to a level 3 in the fall. Overall, progress monitoring groups are a powerful tool to help you easily identify and keep track of students in need of support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't be afraid to reach out. Thanks for watching!